Hey there, future fitness star. Welcome to your beginner home workout designed to help you lose belly fat and get in shape. Whether you're just starting out or looking to add some variety to your routine, this workout is perfect for you. So let's get moving and have some fun. Ready to shrink that waistline? Let's kick things off with a quick warm-up to get your blood flowing and muscles ready for action. Warming up is crucial as it prepares your body for the workout ahead and helps prevent injuries. Start with a quick warm-up to get your blood pumping. Begin by jogging in place for about a minute. This will elevate your heart rate and get your body ready for the exercises to come. If jogging isn't your thing, you can march in place instead. The key is to get moving and warm up those muscles. Let's do some arm circles. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and extend your arms out to the sides. Start making small circles with your arms, gradually increasing the size of the circles. Do this for 20 seconds in a forward direction, then switch to 20 seconds in a backward direction. This will help loosen up your shoulders and get them ready for the workout. Forward for 20 seconds, then backward for 20 seconds. Great job! Now that we're warmed up, let's move on to the main workout. We'll be focusing on exercises that target your core and help burn belly fat. Now let's move on to core strengthening exercises. First up, crunches. Crunches are a fantastic way to target your abdominal muscles and build core strength. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head, but be careful not to pull on your neck. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. This position will help you engage your core muscles effectively. Remember to keep your lower back pressed into the ground to avoid any strain. Hands behind your head and lift your shoulders off the ground. As you lift, exhale and focus on using your abdominal muscles to bring your shoulders up. Inhale as you lower back down. Do 15 reps. Feel the burn? That's your core getting stronger. Do 15 reps. Feel the burn? That's your core getting stronger. Next, let's target those lower abs with leg raises. This exercise is great for building strength in your lower abdominal muscles and improving overall core stability. That's your core getting stronger. Next, leg raises. Lie flat on your back again, legs straight. This exercise will help you engage your lower abs and build strength in that area. Lie flat on your back again, legs straight. Place your hands under your hips for support if needed. Slowly raise your legs up to a 90-degree angle, then lower them back down without letting them touch the ground. Do 10 reps. Keep those abs tight. Raise them up to a 90-degree angle, then slowly lower them back down. Do 10 reps. Keep those abs tight. Now it's plank time. Planks are an excellent exercise for building overall core strength and stability. Get into a push-up position, but rest on your forearms. Make sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core and hold this position for 20 seconds. You've got this. Keep your body straight and hold for 20 seconds. You've got this. Planks are a great way to build endurance in your core muscles and improve your overall posture. Let's switch it up with some fat-burning moves. Start with jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and burn calories. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump your feet out while raising your arms above your head, then return to the start. Keep going for 30 seconds. Jump your feet out while raising your arms above your head. This full-body movement will help you burn calories and improve your cardiovascular fitness. Then return to the start. Keep going for 30 seconds. You're doing great. Then return to the start. Keep going for 30 seconds. You're doing great. Feel that heart rate rising? That's the sign of a good workout. Next, let's do some high knees to keep that momentum going. Keep going for 30 seconds. Feel that heart rate rising? Time for high knees. High knees are a great way to engage your core and get your heart pumping. Stand in place and start running, bringing your knees up as high as you can. Do this for 30 seconds. Feel that heart rate rising? Time for high knees? Run in place, bringing your knees up as high as you can. This exercise will help you burn calories and improve your cardiovascular endurance. Do this for 30 seconds. You're doing amazing. Run in place, bringing your knees up as high as you can. Keep your core engaged and maintain a steady pace. Do this for 30 seconds. You're doing amazing. Finally, let's cool down. Cooling down is just as important as warming up, as it helps your body recover and prevents muscle soreness. Do this for 30 seconds. You're doing amazing. Finally, let's cool down. Stretching after a workout helps improve flexibility and reduces the risk of injury. Start by stretching those arms up high, then reach down to touch your toes. Hold for 15 seconds. Stretch those arms up high, then reach down to touch your toes. Hold for 15 seconds. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Now take a deep breath in and let it out. You've nailed it. Cooling down helps your body transition back to a resting state and promotes relaxation. Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. You've nailed it. Keep up with this routine, and you'll be on your way to a flatter belly in no time. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it, and you'll see results. Keep up with this routine, and you'll be on your way to a flatter belly in no time. Remember, consistency is key. The more you stick to this workout, the better your results will be. Don't forget to pair your exercise routine with a healthy diet for the best results. Catch you in the next workout. Stay motivated, stay active, and keep pushing towards your fitness goals. You've got this.